Discussing about the tips. So first tip, that is, in order to answer questions of this type specially and with easy, you have to familiarize. So so look at here. The first question is that in the alphabet, what is the place of a letter from the right end? Okay, so first of all, find out the which occurs by omitting a letter from K but is not adjacent to the letter N. So look at here. There are all total 25 letters from A to Y. 5 1 za, 5 2 za, 5 3 za, 5 4 za, 5 5 za, 25. Okay. So what is the place of K? Place 5 from the right side. 5, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is there. What about the I? Okay, by omitting a letter from K. From K. Okay, first of all, look at here. There how many letters are there? Total are 25. Okay, and now the letters M and I occur by omitting a letter from K. The letters M and I, because of 9th, 13th and 15th. So I is omitting by one letter, and from K, and also M, that is omitting by one letter. Okay, but M is adjacent to N. M is adjacent to N, so that's why you can't take M. So now that is again. So what is the place value of I? Can you count that? Okay, here are count up to I. The place of I is 9th from the left end. Okay, from left end, from this way, the place value of this I, that is the 9th. Okay, and here from right end, the place value of I, that is 70. So 17th from the right end, hence the answer choice is third. So I is the answer. Okay, now see the second question. Which is the 11th letter to the left of the 9th letter to the right of the middle letter in the alphabet? Now look at here. अब देखो लास्ट इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में जो लास्ट कंडीशन दी है ना, वो सबसे पहले सॉल्व करो. ठीक है, अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या दिया आपको. सबसे पहले तो फाइंड क्या करना होगा. लुक एट हियर. Right of the middle letter in the sequence, that is the M. Okay, because of the serial number of M, that is the 13. Also, okay, the middle letter, that is the M, and its serial number is a 13. So now look at here. What will be the 9th letter to this right of M letter? Right of M letter, it means क्या करना होगा आपको. M से आगे जाना होगा. It means that काउंट करना होगा यहाँ से 9th लेटर. इट मीन्स टू द ये वर्ड दिया गया है, इसीलिए आपको यम को भी कंसिडर करना होगा. यम, दैट इज द 9 कंसिडर कीजिए. 9 रिवर्स ऑर्डर में जाइए. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. अब कौन सा आएगा. यम देखिए यहाँ पे क्या है. यम 9 8 7 देन 6 5 4 3 2 1, यानी के 9th letter to the right of this yam, that is the U. Again look at here. Which is the 11th letter to the left of this 9th letter? इस 9th letter के लेफ्ट साइड से 11th letter कौन सा आएगा. 9th ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे आ गया था. 9 10 11. It means that answer is the K. Okay, I hope so you all understood very well. So I will give this example for homework. That is the third one. Option आपका second आना चाहिए. Okay. So look at here fourth question, which is the middle letter. You have to find out here middle letter. But किसके बीच में find करना है middle letter? कौन सा find करना है? देखो 13th letter following E. What will be the 13th letter following E? फॉलोइंग ई यानी कि ई को छोड़ के आपको आगे से काउंटिंग करनी होगी, यानी कि एफ टू 13th लेटर तक काउंट करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज द 13th लेटर इज आर. कौन सा आएगा यहाँ पे? आर आएगा. एंड द फोर्थ लेटर टू इट्स लेफ्ट साइड. आर के लेफ्ट साइड से इट मीन्स दैट ऐसे आपको फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. ओके. एंड व्हाट विल द फोर्थ लेटर टू इट्स लेफ्ट साइड? इट मीन्स to the left side of this R, that is the N. Okay, it means that N and R के बीच में लेटर कौन सा आएगा फाइंड करना है आपको. that is the P. चलो देखते हैं सीक्वेंस में. so here is the letter E. okay, E लेटर. E से फॉलोइंग आपको कौन सा फाइंड करना है? 13th लेटर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. ये हो गया 13th लेटर. दैट मीन्स द आर. इसके लेफ्ट साइड से फोर्थ लेटर. क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया था? लुक एट हियर द फोर्थ लेटर टू इट्स लेफ्ट साइड. टू इट्स लेफ्ट साइड यानी कि आपको आर को कंसिडर करना होगा क्या? नहीं. सो काउंट फ्रॉम क्यू. क्यू 1 2 3 4. फोर्थ लेटर एन. So 1 2 3 4 5. So N to R, middle letter between the N to R, that is the P. Okay, so that's why we choose the option number third. Now the fifth question. The number of letters between which two letters is 5 times the number of letters between F and J, that is the C and S. Why? Because of, अब देखो जैसे कि F and J आपको दिया है, ठीक है. So 3 letters occurs between F and J. You can see here. Where are the F and J? Here is the F and J. You can see here G H I. That are the 3 letters occurs between that F and J. That means the G H I. And also 5 times 3 is that what you get? 5 times 3. That means the 15. Okay. So C and S, that is the 15 letters will become. C, where is the C? Look at here. C. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, R तक 15 हो रही. D to R, that are all 15 letters, will occurs between the letters C and S, which is the 5 times of 3. So that's the fourth option is the answer. Now sixth I will give for the homework. जैसे आपको वीडियो में दिखाया, आपका आंसर यहाँ पे कौन सा आना चाहिए? आंसर यहाँ पे कौन सा आना चाहिए? विच इज ऑफ द सिक्स्थ एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज द एक्स. देखो जरा चेक करके. In this question you have to find out here. Now in the seventh question. So now look at here in the seventh question. Form a sequence by taking 2 letters at the 2 extreme ends. What is meant by 2 extreme ends? The group of letters from the A to E. Look at here. So first letter, that is the A, last letter E. It means that 2 letters or 2 extreme end of the one group, that is A and E. Another F and J, K O P T and U Y. So that letters we have to take here as a 2 extreme ends of each group of the alphabet. So in this sequence, what are the serial numbers of the letters which form a meaningful word? First of all, we have to write here that letters, that 2 extreme ends of each group. A, E, then FJ, KO, PT, and UY. So give the serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But look at here. Here are the 9 and 9 is given, but 10th word is not given. Okay. So first group, that is 7, 6, 8. So 7th letter P, 6th letter O, and 8th letter, that is the T. It means that what word is meaningful word is formed. So that's why first option is correct. You can take also as this type of, you can take also, or you can check also by using that every option or every letter. You can substitute in the and that in that numbers which is given in the every option. Okay. So which is the 16th letter of the sequence formed by writing the letters followed by the 10th letter of the alphabet sequence in the reverse order. So in this sequence we have to write here reverse order from the 10th letter. Okay. Okay. So first of all write here first group कहाँ से कौन सा आएगा यहाँ पे A to E. Okay, A to E. Then second group F to J. But you can see here in the first group that are 5 letters. In the second group that are also 5 letters. अब देखो क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया था what is the given in the question, which is the 16th letter of a sequence formed by writing the letters followed by, that followed word is INT, followed by the 10th letter. 10th letter के followed यानी कि next letter क्या है, following letter क्या है, that is the 10th letter. J is a 10th letter. So the followed letter, that is the K. It means that all letters up to Y तक आपको क्या करने, रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखने होंगे. It means that Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, P, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, ऐसा आपको रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखना होगा. ठीक है. So what will be the 16th letter? ये हो गए 5, 5, 15. 16th letter, 16th letter, which is the 16th letter of the sequence formed by writing the letter रिवर्स ऑर्डर. रिवर्स ऑर्डर में फाइंड करना है ना. ओके चलो यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं. ठीक है. Y to U यहाँ पे मैं लिख देती हूँ. Y to U third, then T to P, O to K. अब यहाँ पे 5, 5, 10, then 15. It means every group there are 5 letters in every group. Okay, and here 16th letter, that is the T. So that's why option number second is the answer. Ninth for the homework, and 10 to 12th, 10, 11 also homework. Which letter occurs above I? When the letters from A to M are written below letters from M to Y. M to Y अगर आप लिखते हो, ठीक है. M to Y, how to write? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X and Y. Okay. अब देखो आपको यहाँ पे दिया है A to M are written below the letters from M to Y. M to Y ऑलरेडी लिखे. अब इसके बिलो आपको लिखना है A to M. ठीक है. सो A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now the question is which letter occurs above I? I के above U. That's why option number second is the answer. Write the letters in each group of the alphabet sequence in the reverse order. Which is the place of the letter L from the right end of this sequence? क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में, आप देखो जरा अच्छे से. ओके, लेटर्स लिखना है. क्या कौन सा आपको लिखना है? राइट द लेटर्स इन ईच ग्रुप. इन द रिवर्स ऑर्डर। रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखना है एवरी लेटर आपको यहाँ पे, ठीक है। वो लिखने के बाद फाइंड करना है प्लेस ऑफ द लेटर यल फ्रॉम द राइट एंड ऑफ दिस सीक्वेंस। राइट एंड से उसकी प्लेस क्या आएगी वो फाइंड करना है, ठीक है। देखो ओनली ग्रुप में ही आपको रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखना है, ठीक है। तो कैसे आएगा, सपोज ए बी सी डी ई है, तो ई डी सी बी एंड ए, ऐसी होगी उसकी रिवर्स ऑर्डर, ठीक है। अब जैसे कि आपको पता है कि एवरी ग्रुप 5 लेटर्स का, आपको फाइंड क्या करना है, इस राइट साइड से, राइट एंड से 12th लेटर कौन सा आएगा। ये रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखोगे तो भी ये 5 लेटर्स रहने वाले, ये रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखोगे तो भी 5 लेटर्स रहने वाले, ठीक है। तो 5 5 10 हो गए। 12th लेटर फाइंड करना है, इट मीन्स दैट मिडल अरेंज करो सिर्फ। तो मिडल जब अरेंज करोगे तो क्या आएगा, ओ एन एम एल के। So from right end, the 12th letter, that is the L. Count it. 5, 5, 10, 11, 12. 12th letter becomes L from the right end. So that's why second option is the answer. 14th question, I will give for the homework also. Answer उसका आपको क्या आना चाहिए, DT. Okay? Okay, now next question. Which is the 7th letter to the left side of the middle letter between the letters F and M? First of all, find out here the middle letter between the letters F and M. We already written here alphabets from A to N. Okay, look at area F is here and N is here. Now count the middle, find out the middle letter between that two letters. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That are 7. Seventh middle number, that is the 4. Fourth letter J, it means that middle letter, that is the J between F and N. Okay, so find out 7th letter to that left side of this J. To the left दिया है, J कंसिडर करना होगा नहीं, इसके पहले क्या है I, लेफ्ट साइड से काउंट करना है तो ऐसे आएगा ये, ठीक है। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th letter, that is the C. So that's why option number 4 is the answer. Form a meaningful word from the letters having the serial numbers 21, 13, 8, 23 and 25 from the right end of the alphabet sequence. Which is the middle letters of this word? 21, letter E. From the right side is given, from the right end of this alphabet. इसलिए ऐसे आपको right to left जाना होगा. So that's why E, M, here R, C, A. Okay, that letters you get by using that all serial numbers. So the word is, meaningful word is from cream, CREAM. Middle letter, that is the E. Now next you can see here which letters in the alphabet sequence have thrice the serial number of a sequence number. Serial number of I 9, P 16, C 3, L 12, H 8, Y 25, T 20, H 8. So स्क्वेयर क्या चाहिए आपको, यहाँ पे स्क्वेयर नंबर चाहिए. स्क्वेयर नंबर्स आर 25, 9 and 16. Okay, so look at here, 3, 4 is 12. Which letters in the alphabet sequence have thrice the serial number of a square number? 3, 4 is 12. 4 is also square number. So 4 3 is 12. So that's why second option is this answer. 18 for the homework. Answer यहाँ पे मैं दिखा रही हूँ. 19 for also homework. 20 homework. 21 homework. You can write easily. 22 homework. 23 homework. Also all that questions I will give for the homework. Okay, answers are given here. You can see here. Already I am writing in short form. If you are not understand, then you can call me anytime. Okay. Next one, that is the 26. Meaningful word find करना है आपको, फॉर्म करना है. 19th letter, yes, 3 times लिखो उसको, 3 times लिख दिया. The third letter 2 times. Third letter, that is the C. 2 times लिख दिया, C C. The 5th letter and the 21st letter. 5th letter E, 21st letter U. Which is the letter adjacent to the middle letter of this word? Select two correct options. Look at here. The word is formed by using that all letters, that is the success. And C to the left, E to the right. Okay. So that's why C and E are the answers. That are the middle letters. Sorry, which is the letter adjacent to the middle letter? That are the adjacent to each other. Over. Now next one.